Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials: booking reference, lead passenger surname, and the card used. Open the Easyjet Holidays confirmation email or app, sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your bookings and select the holiday you want to cancel. Make sure to note the booking date and any non-refundable items. This informs fees. If you don't have an account, use the guest lookup with reference and surname. This gets you into the cancellation flow immediately. Once in the booking, choose Cancel Booking and read the policy presented. It shows deadlines and fees. Next, decide whether to cancel the entire package or only a component, flights versus hotel, and select accordingly. The system calculates refunds and charges. Review the breakdown carefully because refunds may take weeks. If you booked insurance, check if that covers cancellation and gather supporting documents. Make sure to confirm cancellation only when you accept the quoted refund and fee amounts. You confirm the cancellation and immediately save the confirmation number and email. This is your proof. Expect the refund timeline shown. Processing often takes several days to weeks depending on your bank, so check statements regularly. If the system fails or the refund differs, contact Easyjet Holidays support with your booking reference and screenshots of the quoted refund. If you booked via a travel agent or third party, make sure they process the cancellation. Troubleshoot by escalating with clear evidence and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.